Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, it is now 1 o'clock. I am day of today and tomorrow, so we are going to walk. Yeah, what I'm actually planning is to walk around the Worimi beach, yeah, the Bondi Beach, all the way to, if I can, I will walk all the way to Newcastle along the beach. And I am now thinking of taking a driving lesson. Yeah, I was checking how is it to get a license, and it's a long process, but I think it's possible because I was thinking that if I learn driving, I will learn, I am going to reach more places. Yeah, we're going to buy some snacks along so that we have something to eat along the way. Yeah, I got this one. This one is tried and tested. I like it. The bus is coming in 1 minute, 2 minutes, maybe. Yeah, we get down here. On the other side is just the airport, and we get down here because we're going to eat in McDonald's, and from McDonald's we're going to walk to be able to reach the the beach area. It's the gasoline station, a petrol station. Here is the same like America, where you do put your own gasoline to your car. In the Philippines and in other Southeast Asian country, there are gasoline boy who do the loading of gasoline or petrol. I am now here at McDonald's, and they are having a nice, this place is nice. Also the setup of the restaurant is nice. As you can see, they have this like something like outdoors, but it is covered with the glass like this, so you can see how it is outside. As you can see, there are some animals in there. It's horses and cows. Nice. Yeah, but there's not too much people here. McDonald is there, and now we're starting to walk here. It's like this is a field with some cows. I can see some houses, but we don't know. Look at these trees. There's no any leaves, but I'm sure after the winter it will be back to normal. Cows are looking at me. It is now 2 o'clock and the sun is hot, but the wind and the temperature is still very cold. Not very cold, okay, not very cold, but hey, it's cold. You don't get sweat. You don't get sweat. All these fields are full of cows. That's why the McDonald's there, if they run out of beef, they just come to get some cow here. This area is under constant video and electronic surveillance. Private property. Trespassing and or shooting is prohibited. Trespassing upon or shooting over this land is punishable offenses. Yeah, I now reached this place, and this place has a lot of trees, and there's like a nursery. Baby plants. And we are about to enter in the bushland. I heard, I just read in the comment that snakes are not common in the cold place. These days is cold, so there are no snakes. There's no one here, but I'm still safe here because I'm constantly looking at the Google map and looking for the location. Oh, there's car. Nice. Now and finally, after long hours of walking, I am now here. I can see now the sand dunes. There are not so much things to see along the way. I've seen some just different kinds of flowers, beautiful flowers. They look good. Wow, look at this sand. This looks very fine. Yeah, nice. And from here, I can already see the sea. Nice. It is very windy now because of we are near to the sea. Original plan is actually to just take a bike and drive here, coming from Nelson Bay, to reach the Newcastle. But with how it looks, it is impossible to use the bike. Yeah. It was a very long walk, and yeah, there's nothing much to see in this very long beach. Sometimes there are some people who are fishing. Yeah, aside from that, there's nothing more. In the night, I've been walking for 2 hours until I reached the Stockton Ferry station, and from there we just crossed the river and I reached the Newcastle.